women traditionally, there was never a set limit to how many you can marry. Men would marry 30, 20, 100 women. Look in the Bible. You know, I think you mentioned something like Solomon, and they make a lot of lies about Solomon. He had like 1,000 wives. There's a narration which mentioned he had 90 approximately. I think he had 90.
Yeah, but he was a king though.
He was a king. But the point is that, and it was not that he did anything wrong, but the point is that Islam, the first time it came and it put a limit, 2, 3, 4. And you know what it said? If you can't do justice, one. So straight away, what's the first thing you're learning? The right of Allah, the right of the orphan. Now you're learning, be just to your wife. So just that something that Allah made permissible for you to marry a second or a third or a fourth, you can't do it. It's haram for you now because you're going to be unjust to the woman. So straight away, for the first time, you have to understand when this ayah is coming down, men, listen, like women were not respected. Even up until a few years ago in this country, women were, a few decades ago, just about a century ago, women didn't have the right to own their own property. They didn't have the right to inherit. Allah gave them these rights. So this is monumentous. The ayah came down. Women you have to be just to them. Very one.